Okay everybody, what we're going to be doing here is making yet another flip chart. So this flip chart is going to show you the strategies for converting between fractions, decimals, and percents. So you'll be able to convert between all of those. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is take your pink sheet and just cut right around the edge. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to take along this line, we're going to fold it inwards. So best you can, I know it's kind of hard to see. All right, you're going to fold right along that line. Best you can. It's not perfect and mine isn't. That's okay. Don't worry about that too much. You're going to do the same thing on the other side. You're going to take. Now we have that. And if you made the last flip chart, this is probably going to seem a little familiar. Now we're going to make our flaps. So here's our flip chart. Next thing you're going to do, well, before we start gluing, we've got to cut these out. All right, so every little box has got to be cut out. Okay, so I'm going to cut these out. I'm going to pause the video here because this is definitely going to take a while. Okay, so now I have all my pieces cut out and I've got them sorted kind of into piles here. So I have my, call my titles, I guess. These are my processes, so percent to fraction. So there's a process to do that. It's one of these. And then my examples. The examples have little arrows on them. Zoom this in just a little bit. Okay. Now, next step is you probably want to sort these out beforehand. Here, this looks like the right process. Rewrite the percent over 100 and then simplify, which just means for us to reduce. Okay, so that would go with that. And then we look for an example. And really the examples are even easier because you look something that starts as a percent, ends as a fraction. And there we go. All right, so you're gonna sort out the rest of those. Okay, and here I just have all of them laid out as they should be. You'll notice some are different sizes, and it's not going to look that pretty in your flip chart because they're all different size boxes for this thing, and these are a little different too. But we're just going to glue those in now. And so I'm going to make sure these are all kind of stacked together. We'll see how we glue them in. Okay, so I'm going to take my flip chart. On the outside here, I'm going to put my titles. Now, it doesn't really matter what you put, what titles you put where. I'm going to put percent to fraction here, and then I have a couple choices. I could do the opposite across from it, and I think that would make sense. Take my glue, and I'm going to put percent to fraction right there. Okay. Then what I'm going to do is on the inside for percent to fraction, first here, I'm going to put the process. Okay. Put the process right there. Then on the outer one, I'm going to put the example. All right, so it's an example of how you convert a percent to a fraction. Okay, so we do that, and you have your first flip. Okay, now I just want to do that for the rest of them. So like and there you have it, a completed flip chart.